Today's session is about lab experiments. First experiment in the lab is blinking LED. So for that we require Arduino Uno board and a LED and two male to female wires. This pin description of Arduino board we have already seen in the theory sessions. So these are the 14 digital pins of Arduino board, and you have analog digital pins from A0 to A5, VCC pin, VIN pin, 2 ground pins, and then voltage 5 voltage pin, 3.3 voltage pin. So this is the Arduino Uno board. We are going to do first experiment, that is blinking LED. So for that connections, first we are going to connect. This is the LED module. Here 3 LEDs are there, green, yellow, red. So all these are connected to one pin here. So all 3 together connected to one pin is called as ground in this LED module. So you take one male to female wire, connect any of the LED. I am connecting green LED. This you have to connect to the ground of Arduino board. So ground of Arduino board, you can select any of the ground here. So 14th pin from here, if you start, this is 8th pin, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14th pin will be the ground pin, and second connection is connecting the LED. So you can choose any of the colored. I am choosing green color one. This you have to connect to the any of the digital pin, whatever you are writing it in the program. Suppose you are writing the LED pin connect as pin 13. So I have written 13 pin number in the program, that's why I am connecting 13. You can choose any of the digital inputs. So these are the two connections for first experiment. After connecting these, you connect Arduino Uno board to your laptop. So when you connect Arduino Uno board, you can see the board is blinking. That means it is correct, it is on, the board is on, and now it is ready for you to write the program and upload and compile the program in Arduino IDE. So this is an Arduino IDE environment that you should install in your system. So first this area we are calling it as Arduino sketch, where you are writing the program. So you are using void setup, void loop. These are the two methods in the program. I am initializing a variable int LED is equal to 13. This is what I told, 13th pin. If you are writing 13th pin, then I am connecting LED to the 13th pin of Arduino board. If you are choosing any other pin, like any pin 1, 2, 3, any pin if you are selecting, then you are going to connect this LED to that pin of Arduino board. And this void setup pin mode method you are using to say whether the LED, whatever you have selected, LED as a sensor to connect or interface with the Arduino board, whether it is output or input. Here we are selecting LED as output. Why? Because you are going to see whether the LED is blinking on and off. That's why it is output. Next, in void loop, you are writing digital write method and saying whether the LED should be on or LED should be off. That is, on we are writing it as high, off you are writing it as low. So these two will happen with some delay function. So after connecting it, you go to tools. In tools you select board Uno. In this you select board Uno and Arduino AVR board. In this you will be getting Arduino Uno board. If it is for some systems, it will be automatically selected. If it is not selected, you should select Arduino Uno, and then you should also select the port. So before compiling, this is important. Port in tools you have option as port. After connecting only you will see this port as in your list. If you are not connecting it to the board, if you check, you don't have any serial ports. As I have connected it, you can see COMMI as Arduino Uno. Whatever board you are connecting, that board will be appearing in this list. So select that. After that, first step is to verify whatever the code you have written, whether the code is having any errors or not. For that you are doing verify. This tick button is for verifying. If your program is not, if it is having any errors, it will show here. If it is not having any errors, then it will say completed. Then next you should compile the program. Compile the program or upload, you can see. That means whatever the code you are writing in the Arduino IDE, you are uploading it to this Arduino board. That is the meaning of upload. So click on arrow button. So it will take some time. After uploading completely, you can see that LED will glow. So this is the output. LED is on, off, on and off. So this is taking some time. 1 millisecond it is taking. Why? Because we are using the delay function. You can try it out without using delay function, then it will continuously glow and off. It is taking for some time as we are using delay function. So this is the output for the first program in the lab. Thank you.